Welcome to my live. Let me pull up our live feed. How is everybody tonight on a Friday night? If you're scrolling past, stop in and see what I'm making. It's a cool board. Cool transfer. Grateful Hearts Gather is what it's called. And I've got some fun colors to use on it. I can get our feed up, I'm doing good then. So right now I can't see what you're seeing yet. Okay. All right, hopefully you can see every part of the board here. Almost. My computer's going slow. So Friday night, 9 o'clock. I'm not sure how many people are home, but I'm sure there's some of you who are available for 5 minutes to watch a chalking. Hop in here and say hello and watch what I'm making. Cool stuff here. Cool stuff happening. Okay. So we're almost here. Almost. There we go. All right. We are on. We're on there. We're live. Good deal. All right. So we're doing Grateful Hearts Gather here on an Aiden 9x12 board. It has a piece of chalk right there. So let's go ahead and get started on it. All right. This is a cute autumn board, but there are so many cute boards to do. I'm just getting started on some of these early ahead of the season. Okay. And then let me check where my bracket is. Oh yeah, this is one without a hanging bracket, so it doesn't matter. There's no upside down here, so we can do it however we want. All right, I think I'm gonna go a little higher on this. Cute transfer. I love this lettering. I love this font. It's really pretty. All right, so we are going to do Daffodil, which is kind of a pale yellow color, and Orange Peel. And we're going to do kind of a swirl blend right on the board, or right on the transfer, I should say. And it'll be really cool. You'll like it. All right, so we just gotta give this a good stir. and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, so we're going to dot chalk paste along the edge here every couple inches, and then we're going to put daffodil in between those, and then we're going to pull this, and it's okay if it ends up a little bit being smearing together. We're good with that. That's kind of the idea. Okay, I go through the whole thing, pulling from left to right. Cool, cool. Let me go back up here. Cool. Very cool. All right, let's see what that looks like. Awesome. That looks really good. Okay, so the idea with doing that was just to get kind of like a striation of those colors. So let me show you how that turned out. As soon as we get, I'm waiting for my computer to catch up. There we go. Now you can see how those colors pulled across the board. It's a little bit different than ombre, but it gives still a really good effect in the lettering, the way that turned out. All right, I want to make sure my board where I got paste. Seems to mostly be here. Oh shoot, might not be able to use that to clean it. Let me try. Okay, I got a little bit under the frame here. I just want to clean that up. I think that's it. All right, let me dry that because I'm going to do another thing to the board. If I can fit it at the bottom. Okay, so I was wondering if this would fit at the bottom. So let's try doing this.
I just did a wrong thing.
Something around, oops, let go of it too soon. Something along the lines of that, but I feel like this still has to come over a little. I don't know how that looks, but let's give that a whirl. So I have a little bit of some brown, bark brown here. Now if I do this and I don't like it, I can always wipe it off. All right, so that, to add a little bit of something to the bottom. And then okay, then I have a little flower for the center. And I have this red shimmer color, which is kind of a fall, kind of like a rusty color. Okay, let's see what that looks like. There we go. Okay, so just finishing it off with this little flower and swag at the bottom, just to give it a little bit more detail. Okay, what do I do with that lid? Did you ever lose a lid? Oh, I put the red lid on the yellow container. Well, that didn't help. Okay, so we used red shimmer for the flower. So you can pull things from other kits, and that's what I did for this detail down here. That was actually from one of the Chalk Couture transfers that I got in, I believe it was maybe April or May. It had some flowers and some leaves in it, and that detail came from there. All right, let me do a couple more touch-ups and then I think we're good. I just have a little smear here still from that. And right here. Okay. Okay, I want to bring you closer in to see the detail. So let me zoom you in a little. Gotta release my arm here. Okay. So you can see that detail at the bottom, and you can see closer the detail of the lettering. And that turned out really nice. Very pretty. Very cool. So that is our finished piece for today. Thank you so much for joining this live. And if you are not a member of my VIP group, comment, add me to one of the videos and I will add you. I'm also on Facebook. If you feel like pulling up Facebook on, or YouTube, rather, YouTube, pull that up on your smart TV and watch videos from the comfort of your couch on the big screen, you can do that as well. Sometimes it's helpful to do that, have a bigger image detail. So thank you. Please share this video and love it. And I will be here again tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye.